Guys, it's Greg and Chad from Common Man Bagger. Greg, what are we doing today?
Chad, we're going to be putting a set of Rinehart Slip-ons on my 2020 Street Glide Special today.
Look for the part number in the description and also like and subscribe. For the first step, Greg's going to take the bags off. Be sure to lay the bags on something soft so that they don't get scratched.
So we're going to be using a 9/16 extension with a socket. It's a 3/8 socket on this exhaust clamp down here. We're going to loosen it up. This one's already pre-loose. And then we're going to go to the top. These two are 1/2-inch bolts. We're going to loosen these up. And then you're going to twist the exhaust off. Just be careful, sometimes these can be rusted. Put these aside, set them somewhere safe.
You want to save those for resale value, in case you want to put them back on later. Remove the stock clamp, it's going to be reused in the assembly. On the new pipe, replace the bracket so that the nut is facing down when reassembled. Insert the 2 hex bolts into the rails so that the threaded side is up. Take the muffler, line up the clamps into the screw tops, and then insert to the front. Next, take the flat washer and provide a nylon lock nut and put them on the thread. Hand tighten them at this time. You'll need to go along and reline everything later on. You need to do this to both the front post and the rear post. The removal and reinstall sequence is the same for the throttle side as it is for the clutch side. I provided you with a few different angles.
Yep.
It'll be a 15 millimeter on the throttle side for this clamp. Again, remove that muffler, jiggling and sliding. Sometimes the shake and jiggle method doesn't work. You can use a solid block, a towel, and a mallet to get that fine adjustment right at the end. Once you have everything lined up, go ahead and tighten down all the bolts. Before you start the bike, you want to make sure you clean it up real good. Get the fingerprints off the mufflers. They can affect the finish.